Okay, a little brightness and contrast. We can use the threshold, set our mask to do the sky first. A color balance adjustment layer. Let's adjust the mask. Let's add a saturation adjustment layer. Duplicate this layer. Duplicate the mask and invert it. The threshold layer. Color balance adjustment layer. Let's adjust the mask. Duplicate the background and move it up. Duplicate the mask. Add a mask to this layer and put it in a group. Let's change the exposure a little bit. Now we're going to apply a vignette to the exposure layer. Let's add a little saturation and vibrance. Now we're going to apply a vignette. Hit the like button. It helps more than you can know. Please subscribe and hit notifications to stay up to date.